All right, fam, a couple of things have happened. The market is kind of pumping, which is good, but as I noted here, this is probably just a retest. So we need a 4-hour break. So if you look at the total market cap, I told you that we're going to get a reversal. We shorted this up here, and then now we're in the discount zone. I'm waiting for a reversal. As you see, I explained it on the show here. I actually do this every single day. So if you don't know who I am, my name is 𝗕𝗢𝗧, and I bring you daily updates in a very short form. I've been trading since 2018, been in crypto since 2016. So if that sounds good, subscribe to the channel and join the Fleet Telegram, where I complement the videos that I make here. So anyway, so what I said is that we're waiting for a 4-hour and an hourly break. Now, an hourly break would be sufficient, which is up here at 3.87 trillion on the total market cap, right here. Until then, this is nothing else than a retrace to a higher time frame supply zone. This is what I've been saying, a higher time frame supply zone, and we can reject from here. So yesterday, I said 15-minute market structure shift is done, because if you go down to the 15-minute chart, you see that there is a low here, and then there is a high here, and there is a retest. So this here is the high, the low, the new high, the retest. So this here is a very bullish setup and builds up liquidity. I would not be surprised if we push through here, to be honest. I'm going to talk about the analysis in a second, but we do have a 15-minute market structure shift. Now we just need to see an hourly to confirm the high. Now, why am I not longing? I have added back to the positions. As I said here, added 30% back of the cash that I had here back into the positions. And the reason is because this could be the beginning of the reversal. Like this, I thought could have been the beginning of the reversal. We caught the exact button, and I do think that this still can be, but until we have a higher high, we're just jumping the gun, and I think it's stupid. So I added 30% back in because I wanted to have an additional skin in the game. We sold very up high here, literally up high. We sold the positions, so I think it's worth adding 30% back, but I'm still keeping the remaining cash. That's one. Second, I also said that I have added back to my AVAX position. So I said added to my AVAX hedge short. So as you know, I've posted above there somewhere that I posted AVAX, and you probably have shorted it with me. The reason why that is an entry. But the reason why I shorted is because as a hedge, I sold 50% of my leverage positions, the longs, and then I opened the hedge short, which played out perfectly. And then I took about 50% profit down here. And the reason why I added back is because this is just a retrace. And as it comes back, I want to add a little bit as it goes above. Why? Because if you look at the total market cap, this is what the total is doing. It literally just retraced onto an hourly higher high. Right? Oh, sorry, lower high. So we just retrace. We can easily reject from here and go lower. And until we have an hourly high, we cannot talk about reversal. Okay, so what else? One is that yesterday on the video here, I told you that I'm buying crypto. I opened up these butts. If you look at them, all of them are in profit. Yesterday, all of them were in massive profits, by the way. But still, they're still doing good. They are accumulating. 𝚙 is doing good. SOL is doing good, 13%. ETH is doing good at 5-6%. And also my long-term bots are cooking. Some of them are down, like the HYPE bot. ETH bot is up massively. All these I open up on the show. I do have the long-term bots in the description that you can just simply copy. These are for the next 2-3 months. And then if you join the Telegram, which is completely free, there is literally nothing to join. It's just my thoughts, because I want to help you guys. I posted all the short-term bots from the show yesterday here, so go ahead and check those out as well. But what am I expecting is the following. It's very simple. I'm out here traveling actually, so I'm not even looking at the chart that much. I do have alerts. Until we make a higher high on the total market cap, I'm not interested in taking heavy leverage long positions. Once that happens, yes, I am going to layer in, but I'm also going to layer in my hedge short, because we can still go lower. I do think that this is going to hold, because if you look at the daily chart, this is beautiful high, and then marks a new high and then just retraces, and we're going to get a new bounce no matter who says what. If we break below the daily low down here, that is going to be a problem. I do think that we can go into a very big free fall. Maybe hopefully retrace only on the weekly, but rather probably this is the end. I don't think we're going to break below though. I'm going to update you if that happens. But for now, I think accumulating above the daily zone on any token does make a lot of sense, even if we go lower. This is why I opened the bots, because they are great bots. They literally buy and sell instead of you don't have to just sit there and manually add every 1%. The bots will do it for you. So that's what I think. This is how we stand. I think I updated on everything that I've posted in here. We talked about this. Yi launched the token. Kanye West launched the token. I have bought it $1 billion. I'll be honest with you. I bought the token at $1 billion FDV. We'll see where it goes. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Come back for another one tomorrow. It's a short update. And don't jump the gun. I know it's going to be tempting. I know that on X, a lot of people... also, if you don't follow me on X, there's a link in the description to my X account. Go and do that. I post awesome stuff. But I know a lot of people will call for, you know, alt season and this and that, and you should do this, and you should buy. Sit on your hand. Money is not made when buying. Money is made when waiting. 80% of the time you wait, 20% of the time you execute. And when you execute, you have to execute at the right time. If you start layering in and taking massive positions, you are going to get wrecked. Okay, you might get lucky, but that's gambling. Wait for a higher high to deploy heavily. And until then, be aware that we can still dump here. This is why I added back onto my AVAX short position as well. We took $2,000 profit, and I'm still up $2,000 unrealized, and this can go even lower. So I'm at 34,000 position. So this is the account that I'm running here openly with you. I'm sharing with you what I'm doing. Guys, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, share it with your friends. If you like this, just send it to them so more people can come in and join us. And also, of course, join the Telegram where I share my thoughts. Yeah, thanks. Take care. Have fun. Enjoy your day and week and all that. And check out this video. It's going to be about, you have to check. It's going to be here, this. Peace.